I want you to make Obinna useless in China. Now. If that boy comes to this country rich, of course you know what it means. He will begin to dig ground to find what killed his father. And if he eventually finds out, it is going to be a bomb. And Abawa, you and I will enter there. Begin to do something. Make Obinna useless in China. Yeah, go run China na chicha chef uchi. Or still let him go the way his father went. Go beer once and for all. If njikwa maka ekwu maka odima mu na gi. Kunie echo oji nyegi nke bara eno. Echo obara nyegi fe nwere kweno. Obara tule. Sigu kwube ifa ga-eme na ntide.
Onye m uche onye m.
Onye m.
N'ife ike nke bunu jika nke wudi ka ife dibia jikala ofeke.
Ana m anụ ife opine.
Na mpakala ga ma ọzọ ma n'ọzọ ga na.
Ana m anụ nke ụfọdụ.
Ikwu ada ebe na nkete.
Nkwube nunu dibia ọbara tule.
Achụ aja afọ ude ni ma n'ife me na be ndị mmụọ.
Wow. Ana m anụ ife na-ekwu.
Ezuo ka aheri ude na atọtuo ngịga. It is done. Maka na obodo tere aka nwere ndị ọ dị nso.
Eruo mbe m.
Onye m uche onye m.
Hey, onye m.
I will tell you what to do.
Eruo mbe m. Eruo m no. Obinna, you represent this goat. Whatever I do to this goat will definitely go to you in China. I want you to be useless, Obinna, in China. You will be useless in China. As I'm tying this goat, so I am tying your destiny. Everything about you will be useless. Is it that you die in China or you come back useless, empty-handed? You will not come back to this Nigeria with anything or you die. Obinna, as I say, it shows what happened to you. Ike ori afọ nkwo afia na no bochi na no ndị gweji ndị ajekwa na eme ife. Obinna jee nke ọma.
Ekwensu abaga gị n'ime nwere gị kwara ngwalụ. Ajọ onye abaga gị n'ime nwere gị kwara ngwalụ. Why do you allow Satan to use you? Abaga gị n'ime nwere gị kwara ngwalụ. Ọna banko ga-eme. Abaga gị n'ime nwere gị kwara ngwalụ. Ekwensu abaga gị n'ime.
Obinna asị m n'ebe idiot. Idiot Obinna. Is it that you come back from China without Shengbang, or you come back to Nigeria ready to die? Anofia.
Nine, please, help me talk to your daughter, please. I've been begging your daughter for over 1 month now. She just locked up her heart. Please, help me talk to your daughter. I love your daughter so much. And I'm willing to make her my wife, please. And that's why you've not seen me with my father. Please, help me. Talk to your daughter.
Young man, there is little problem here. The fact is that I am not my daughter, Amarachi. I am not Amarachi.
Yes, sir.
But you said for the past 1 month, you have been talking with her, pleading with her, but she refused.
Yes, sir.
Keep on trying. Maybe one day she will accept you.
I'll keep on trying. Though she says she has someone. She says she has someone in her life, but I don't know.
Like I said, you keep on trying. The one she said, someone in her life. Well, as far as I know, nobody has ever bring any drink or pay anything on my daughter's head. So as far as I know, for now, my daughter is still available. So what we have to do is during our we elderly one, during our time, we used to buy chewing gum, sweet, biscuit, and there is one old drink then that looks like Fanta. They call it Tango. That's what we used to, get our women, But this is not time. This is your time. Your own is there. iPhone now. You take her out. Take her out. You will go tell her forget shopping. My man no get for my daughter, madam. She's a very beautiful girl. She needs. Didn't you see the phone she's using? And they will go take her on for iPhone. He will tell her iPhone now. Take her out. Go at least one hour, but I can't have it. Man, I say where salary go. I ask you to use your salary to buy those things. But you will go take her. No get quality. She will accept you.
No problem, Naya. I will keep trying.
Thank you. Keep on trying. Like this thing, I was on my way somewhere before you stopped me. So let me go somewhere. Like I said, keep on trying. One day she will accept you.
Okay, now. Please don't be offended now. Wait, let me give you something. Even if to buy yourself two bottle of one bottle of drink.
Well, my son, don't worry. It is not yet time for this. Just get what we want first. Time shall come when we drink as much as we want. You get menable. You try to go. Will take care of my daughter out. She's the one you are asking for her hand in marriage, not me. I'm not the one you are married. It's my daughter. Just make her go there, man. Time shall come when we will be tired of drinking or whatever. Just make my daughter ma will go tell you. Let me rush somewhere. Just keep on trying.
I will. I love my daughter so much.
Thank you. I know you love her because she's a beautiful girl.
Yes,
now.
Yes,
just keep on trying. One day.
I love your daughter so much. Thank you so much.
Remember the iPhone, no?
Yes, sir.
One guy to accept you, the iPhone. What happened to my drink?
Papa?
I'll keep it.
Papa, you said you wanted to talk to me.
Yes, sit down. Amarachi.
Papa?
I called you here for two reasons. Number one, that Paul, the one that you sent money for Pascal this thing.
Yes, Papa.
You sent him 4 million naira.
Yes, Papa.
What of the remaining 500,000? What happened to it?
It's in my account.
In your account? I need that money.
Okay, Papa.
How do you mean okay? I said I need that money. You said okay, Papa.
Papa, will I hold 500,000 and be walking up and down? I've heard you. When I go inside later, I'll transfer the money to you. Besides, it's not like you have ATM that you also used to withdraw the money. It's still me that will still be withdrawing the money for you. Meanwhile, I will not do it now. I'll do it much later because I don't even have data right now.
Okay. Okay. You waiting, I know that I need that money. I've sent it to me.
I've heard you, number
it's
two.
It's okay. Then number two. There was this man by name Timothy. I met him on the road today.
Okay.
He said that he teaches in the same school with you. Do you know him?
Yes, Papa. We teach in the same school.
Okay. Did you discuss anything with him or have you been discussing anything with him?
Papa, we teach in the same school. That means we see each other every single day of the week. It also means that when we see, we greet each other. Or is there anything you want to know exactly? Because I really don't understand what you're driving at.
What I meant is that, did he discuss anything with you concerning marriage?
Ha, Papa, that one. He has been disturbing me since so, but I told him I'm not interested.
You told him you are not interested?
Yes, Papa.
Why?
Because I'm not interested.
Meaning what? Does it mean you are not right for marriage? He has what on a canna? Manoge?
Papa, what is this now? What are you saying? Oh, have you suddenly forgotten that Obina and I are in love? And I will plan to get married? What's bringing Timothy into this equation? Papa, please, in fact, why are we even having this conversation in the first place? There are so many girls out there. He should go and look for a girl that he wants to marry. It's definitely not me. If he sees me in his dream, he should go and wash his face. What's that? Besides, in the school where we both work, there's plenty pretty women there. Let him pick one of them and get married. You should leave me alone, I beg. What's that?
Amarachi, daily you understand that that Timothy saw all those girls we are talking about and choose you. Better for you.
Papa, did I choose him?
But come on, let it not be that the reason you are rejecting all the suitors that are coming for to ask for hand the marriage is because of Obina.
Papa, you're telling me that Timothy chose me. Did I choose him? I just told you I am not interested and it is final. Please, let him look elsewhere. He should just close his eyes when he comes to me. I am not interested and I did not choose him.
Let me tell you, listen to me, let me tell you. It's better you make up your mind to marry that Timothy. Because all these abroad boys, all these blah, 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 you can't trust them. I am telling you this to avoid crying had I know at last.
Papa, really?
You sure that if Obina comes back, he will still marry you? It's better you make your choice now and marry Timothy. Papa. Because if Obina comes back and disappoint you, I will not be there to console you. Papa. You better do this now to avoid crying had I know. I have said my own.
Papa, this is the reason you called me, right? Thank you very much. I'm going back inside because I was very busy before you called me. I thought it was something.
In other words, I'm not making sense.
Papa, I thought it was important. Obviously, it's not important.
Look at this girl. Amarachi. It's okay. No problem. I'm watching you.
It's not made of roses. I did you wanaka. No one can change the hand of clock. Nobody can change God's plans. Wabi tupu baba afufa baba.
Mama, what are you looking for?
What is all this now? Who is this? What is all this?
Chioma, I am looking for my goat. Chioma, that middle age goat I bought last month, I can't find it anywhere. Did you see it? Hey, God, where is my goat? I've looked everywhere, I've searched everywhere inside this compound.
Hey, Mama, it is true.
But Mama, have you asked Papa? I have not asked him, I just noticed it this morning. I've not asked.
Papa, welcome.
No.
What's the problem? These ones that their faces are like this. What's going on? I hope all is well.
No, all is not well. I am not happy. I am not happy. My goat is missing. That goat I bought last month, I can't find it anywhere. I can't find it anywhere now.
I didn't. Is the goat missing?
Nay, what kind of question is this? What do you mean is the goat missing? If my goat is not missing, will I be asking you this question? Will I be telling you that my goat is missing?
No, Abigail. You can't be talking to me like that because of a missing goat. What is your problem?
Nay, my goat is missing.
Nay, I did not see your goat. I'm from here. So you go to comb the bushes around this village and see if the goat entered into Abajo's shrine. Ask there someone about it. Perhaps the goat entered there for what to eat. How can you be breathing fire because of ordinary goat and be disturbing my peace? Are you stupid? Because of a goat? Is a goat a human being? You are breathing fire. Don't do anything stupid because of a goat. On what day I buy a new goat. What's all this? I can't rest again because of a missing goat. One bashing goat for that matter.
How can you ask Mama to forget that goat? How can you ask her to forget the goat?
If I use this thing and slap your face, you remember the day you were born. When did you become a middle person in the issues between your mother and I?
I better see my goat. I better see that goat before this time tomorrow, because if I don't, everyone in this village will hear from me. because I'm going to report this show at Obaji Shrine. I'll report this show at Obaji Shrine.
The biggest mistake you are going to do. Going to Obaji Shrine to report Ezomo about a missing goat, one banshee goat. I want you to be careful. This thing is just ordinary goat. On Unkwode, I'll buy a new goat for you. The people in this village are already pointing fingers at me. I don't want them to look at you as an evil woman. You see what I'm battling with my elder brother. With his cohort, there are people supporting him. Before you know it now, they will connive and then conspire against us. And a lot of things will begin to happen. You know, they are throwing banana peel for me to match and form, and I will jump and pass it. Ewu is just it's not a human being. You replace it. You go to Obachi Shrine. And when you see that, they will call me. Allow me to suffer the one I'm suffering already. I have a lot of hypertension covered into this body. Can rest.
Obaji Shrine does not kill an innocent person. No one is going to look at me as evil because I'm not going to kill an innocent person. If my goat was not stolen, Obaji Shrine will not kill anybody. Obaji Shrine will only take someone that has stolen my goat. I better see that goat. I better see. If I don't see that goat, let me not see that goat. Let me not see that goat. Let me not see that goat this tomorrow morning. Let me not see that goat. Nonsense.
You have to talk to your mother. Talk to your mother. Let her not go to Obachi Shrine. You know, I have a problem. I told you the other day. I have a problem with Ezomo. By the time your mother goes there to report this, the Ezomo will see it as an avenue to kill me for nothing's sake.
But Papa, wait though. Why are you so concerned about where she's going to look for the goods?
Were you not here? When she was breathing fire that she's going to do a whole lot of things just because of ordinary goat. I've told her I'm going to buy a new goat in Mbosonko for her. These people are after me in this village. Okay. If she goes there now, there's someone will say, and then the next person that will be the target is me. Will you like it if I am dead?
Papa, she will not forget the goat.
Nai, I can see you're enjoying this food.
You try small.
I try small. And you're munching it this way.
No, you try small. Is it not ordinary corn and the oil, salt, and pepper? What is hard for it? You need to do.
Should I get more for you?
I'm okay with this.
No, your phone is ringing.
This is for the number. Who could this be? Hello? Hello, who is this? Pascal. Which Pascal? Pascal, my son. Huh? How are you? It's been a while. Hey, no, I'm fine. Your mother is fine, she's here with me. Your sister went to work. She went to school. She's not yet back. What is happening? It be long we heard from you. Even when you were released from the police custody, we did not hear from you. You did not call us. You did not tell us anything. What happened? Even the person you sent to come and collect the 4 million naira, we did not even hear from you, at least to thank us for giving the person the money. 4 million naira is not easy. What did you say? You did not have had any case or sent anybody to come and collect money from us? I don't understand. Somebody walked in here and told us that you had a case in abroad, that you were in police custody, and you needed the 4 million naira to release you from the police custody. That you sent him to come and collect 4 million naira from us for your release.
You're going to phone and nine. Pascal, it's me, your mommy. It's me, your mother. What? I'm not fine, no. As it is now, I'm not fine hearing what you're telling your father on the phone. What are you talking about? Okay, so why were you not calling us all this? Or why have you not been calling? Oh, you traveled to another country for a business trip. And you just came back to Malaysia last week. Somebody came here and said you had police case and you were in the prison. And they were torturing you. And you needed 4 million naira for your release. Your father had to sell our best land to raise 4 million naira. What are you talking about? Hey! Chimo! Oh, my dear, please try and come back soon. Come back soon like you said, Biko. Bye. Nine.
Wait. Am I dreaming or what?
Hey!
So you mean that somebody can fearlessly walk into this compound and dupe me, made me sell my land,
hey,
and gave him the money, 4 million naira?
Hi, Papa, Mama. Mama, are you feeling cold? What's the problem?
My daughter, this one is more than cold.
What's happening, Papa? Look at Philmond in your food. What's going on? What happened?
We just got off the phone with your brother Pascal. Pascal said he never had any police case. And he never sent anybody to collect 4 million naira from us.
Hey! Mama, what do you mean he did not send anybody to this house to collect?
Ah! We are finished.
Mama, wait. What do you mean that? He was not involved in any police case, or he didn't even send for 4 million. Like, I don't understand. What are you saying, Mama? Who was best that came here to collect 4 million naira?
The Yahoo.
What do you mean Yahoo?
Yahoo. They have done I and your father Yahoo.
Hey, Chimo.
If I set my eyes on that boy, if I set my eyes on that fool, that criminal.
Papa, you know, in everything we have to give thanks to God. You don't have to start reacting at this point. Let's think this thing through. It's not the end of the world. Definitely we'll recover. Why would somebody want to dupe us now? Who was this?
Our best land. The best of our lands. 4 million naira.
Hey. But Mama, wait. Are you really sure that it was Pascal that called you people? Did you hear his voice?
I spoke with him.
But Mama, you know Papa's phone now. You know how it is with his phone, eh? Hey. When I told him to buy a good phone, he refused. It might be that his phone is playing tricks on us once again. I'm just asking because I really need to know. Because this thing it's not funny now. This is not April Fool now. What kind of rough place is this one? 4 million naira. Hey! Chimo.
Are you still like this? Huh? It's okay, stop doing this to yourself. Mama, you want to give yourself high blood pressure because of this land? Do you want to make me a widow because of land and 4 million naira? Huh? The land is gone and there's nothing you can do about it. Because No.
I disagree with you. My land, they cannot go just like that. It is not possible. How can somebody fearlessly walk into my compound and deceive me to sell my land? And I foolishly accepted and sold my land and gave him the money. Yeah? And you expect me to keep quiet and allow the land to just go like that? It is not possible. You see that land, that boy, no problem.
No, I understand how you feel. Huh? I understand how you feel. But by the special grace of God, one day in the future, we will catch that Yahoo boy and we will treat him like a criminal. Oh, because you go for now. Stop, you're thinking too much. Oh, the mama. Oh, where's the body? Let's go in.
Don't worry, I'm not hungry.
Come, let's go and eat, please. Come, let's go. The food.
You see that boy? Any day I set my eyes on that boy. You see that criminal? that armed robber, that Yahoo boy, anytime I set my eyes on him, he will regret ever coming into this world.
I agree.
Don't worry.
I agree with you. I'm solidly behind you. Yeah. But for now, let's go.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Nah, are you sure you're coming?
I said I'm coming. Go.
Nah, I'm waiting. Huh?
Hello, Paul. Hi, we're in serious trouble. There's problem.
So, what problem are you talking about?
About the business now, the game we played on my father. Listen, my brother called my dad yesterday and he told him everything. I mean, my brother then told him that he didn't have any police case and he didn't even ask anyone to collect any money from him. As it stands now, I don't know what to do. We're in serious trouble. What do we do?
So, what do you want to do about it? Because I can't say we. It's you now. What do you want to do about it?
About the business now? What are you saying?
Don't make me laugh, babe. Don't make me laugh. I tell you this thing now. I tell you, say this matter can't make you call me. I tell you, I was just telling you what will you do about it. Say I should just calm down. I should just relax. That when you get to the bridge, you will cross it. Blah 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 blah. You just walked out on me. Now how far? Listen, let me tell you. Don't mention my name. Do you understand me? I beg, don't mention my name. I tell you that day. Don't mention my name. I tell you, my deal with you don't finish. Don't call my name.
Fine, I will not mention your name. No problem, it's fine. I won't mention your name.
Okay, bye. Bye. Which kind of wala be this now? Anyway, it be my wala because I tell this girl. I tell her, she tell me see like I calm down, see everything go do okay, say she will cross the bridge, say all those nonsense say she dey talk, they speak English anyhow. But how far I see like don't be. They come they tell me, oh man, okay, see go handle am. Me, I'm done with this deal. I don't collect my money, I don't move. Don't move. She don't mention my name, oh.
Hey, what have I gotten myself into now? What have I done? Oh God, I can't even reach Obi now. If I could only just tell him what is going on. Oh God, please, just help me. Help me get out of this one. Help Obina. At least let him make money in China so that when he comes back, he can buy my father a land. At least to replace that one. Oh God, what do I do? Oh God, I'm finished.
It's not made of roses. I did you wanaka, no one can change the hand of clock. Nobody can change God's plans.
So don't worry, I'll be coming. You are my sister. I can't just leave you like that. Your husband is my in-law. Don't worry.
Since how many weeks now? Your last born, when you are supposed to be coming to my house at least once in a week.
It's okay.
People will know that I have a.
It's not so easy like that. You know, from my community to this place, this community, it's a little bit far. Don't worry. I will be coming. Don't worry. I will continue coming. I will coming.
Brother. And here now, the boy from just that my compound like this, the other one like this. It's his compound now.
You know him?
No, Paul now.
Is he in Obodo?
Obodo Gene. Paul that works everywhere, you know. That is.
You! I thought you said you are in Obodo, you are in Malaysia.
Malay what?
Brother, what did
this is the idiot, the criminal that duped me 4 million naira. You said you are in Malaysia. You said I don't know you. You are police.
Police again.
I don't know you.
Aye! Oh! Tabugobo!
I want you to tell me the truth. Where is the money?
I don't know if it's the money you're talking about. The money.
Here it go again. Huh? I say I want to help you. In this case, you have to help yourself. Tell me the truth, so that I will know how we'll go about it. Or do you want me to call Officer Akpan?
No.
Okay, where is the money?
Okay. Officer, I will talk.
Okay.
Officer, the money was not paid into my account. It was not paid into my account. Amarachi planned everything.
Who is Amarachi?
Amarachi is Unna's daughter.
You mean the man that brought you here?
Yes, absolutely. Officer, you see, the money was not paid into my account. It was not paid into my account. The 4 million naira was paid into Amarachi's account. I only collected my commission according to our agreement. Just 5%. Just 5%. She said that she wants to use the money to help her boyfriend to leave this country. The money was not paid into her account, officer.
Hope you are telling me the truth.
Officer, I'm sure.
You are not deceiving me.
I am not. You can ask Amarachi. You can ask Amarachi, my hands are clean.
I swear, if I find out you are lying to me from here, you are going to prison straight. I will not mercy for you.
You can say it's the truth. You can bring Amarachi here. And I can say it in my front. My wrist.
IP, I came to find out the situation of things. Has that criminal given you my money?
Iche, calm down. There is a situation at hand. Your daughter is needed for questioning.
My daughter? Needed for questioning?
Yes.
And how?
From the interrogation room, the criminal confessed that your daughter is the brain behind the deal.
How could that be possible? My daughter? Brain behind? How?
Let me ask you, where is your daughter presently?
She's at home.
We will find out when she gets here.
My daughter. Brain behind the criminal that did to me. How possible?
Sergeant Ben, prepare yourself. You are going for an arrest. Yes. Just calm down.
I should have known this, that.
Young lady, I'm talking to you. Why did you do that?
I had to give Obin and my husband to be the money to travel abroad.
What? You gave 4 million naira to your husband to be? A young boy who has not even paid your bride price? Why?
Because he has no one to help him. My parents know him very well. They know he's not a bad person. Ever since he finished school, he traveled to the city to look for something to do. Now things are really rough. So a friend of his gave him some connect to go to China. Helped him get a passport. And then helped him get a visa. But he had no money for the tickets. So he had to travel back to the village to see if his uncle will help him. But his uncle refused to help him. At At some point, both of them wanted to keep themselves. I had to do something. I had to help him because I trust him. He's my husband to be. So I took the step that I did and gave him the money on the promise that when he gets back, he will return the money or the land to my father. And knowing Obinna the way I do, he will. I'm sorry, Papa. I'm sorry, Mama. But you know he's a good person. I was just doing it to save a life and possibly save lives. That was it.
Amarachi. Hey, Amarachi, you've killed me. So you mean to tell me that all this while, all this has been happening, you've been the brain behind it all, Amarachi? Amarachi, where did you learn this from? Eh? Chai. Now let me ask you something. Amarachi, what if this Obinna comes back from that China and he said he can't marry you again? What will you do, Amarachi?
Mama, you know Obinna, he doesn't have that kind of heart.
I don't know him. I don't know him, Amarachi.
Amarachi. So it is because of this nonsense, this rubbish you just said here now, made you to connive with that criminal and deceived me to sell my land and give you the money. And you gave Obinna the money to travel to China, a whole 4 million naira. Eh? Now you listen to me. You see that money? You and all your partners in crime must pay me that money to the last couple. Else all of you will rot in that cell. Apu, please, I want you to do me a favor. Nobody should release them. Please. On no account should anybody come here and release them until they pay me my money to the last couple.
I will do just that, Jay.
Please.
No, calm down, please. Calm down. It hasn't gotten to that yet. Please. Amarachi.
Mama.
Amarachi.
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry. I was really just trying to save a life, or probably even lives.
Yeah. Onyemuche. Onyemuche. Are you telling me that you and your family were not aware that your late brother's useless son and the one idiot connived with my daughter and took me off my land and 4 million naira? Of course, I know you were aware because they might have given you part of the money.
I'm not aware of all these things you're talking about. When did it happen?
Who has this question just asked me now?
You, of course. Have you lost your mind that you don't even know when a question is directed to you?
Onyemuche, I am not here for this your question and answers a quiz because I don't have time for that. Now listen to me. I am giving you 1 week. If you and your family did not pay me my money or return my land, what I will do, this whole village, the ear that hears it will block. Mark my word.
Come on, stop that. Stop it. Inabuara, are you mad? Why can you just walk into my family and start disturbing my peace with the accusation that my family and I are part of the problem? How can you accuse us of duping you? Is anyhow my daughter or my wife resembling Obinna? Let me ask you one question. When your stupid daughter and one other idiot, according to you, were confessing of duping your land, did they mention me? Did they mention me, my daughter or my wife? Next time you try this nonsense coming down here to insult me and my family, I will go all out to deal with you. Of course, you know me very well.
Yeah. Onye muche. Onye muche. Is it me you are talking to in that manner? You are talking to me, Izuna, in that manner. Now listen to me. I will go and I will come back. But by the time I come back, you will know the kind of person I am. Yeah? Woman, what's that to him? Talk to your husband.
Don't talk to my wife like that.
Talk to this thing you call your husband. Because if I come back here, what I will do, you see this family, I will set it ablaze. Look at you, you are talking to me. You had the God to talk to me, Izuna. Look at you. I am standing, you are standing, I'm talking, you are talking. Because you grow beards. This is your nonsense blade that looks like a bush where all the children play tonto football. You are talking to me. Don't worry. By the time I come back, you know the kind of person I am. Talk to him. Talk to this thing, talk to this thing. Talk to him. Talk to him. You see this compound, I will set it ablaze if he has not taken. Mark my word. I will go. No problem.
You see why I pretended to be cool with this man? You see this man is suffering from the sickness of the mind. This man, someone will just die. If we cheer this man, he will just die.
Nine. You want to use Akija power that we cheer this man now, eh? Do you know that this is all your fault? Yes, it's all your fault. If you had listened to you when he was begging you to share the family land so he can sell his own and use his money and solve his problems, all these things wouldn't have happened. All this wouldn't have happened. But no, you refused. I'm not going to share the land. I'm not going to share the land. But look at it. You know what is good for you? Get ready to replace Izuna's land with one of our family lands. And trust me, if he demands of any of our land, I will support him. I will support him.
It's what I love to get what I want. Please. This is first. He believes in future. If I never I am let us share the property, my brother. This is first. He believes in future. If I never I am I want this thing for an urgent reason. One name. This is first. He believes in future. You're my God. If I never I am
please, I want to talk to you.
If it's about Amarachi, I don't want to hear it.
No, you have to hear it too. You just have to hear it. And Amarachi is our daughter. Our only daughter, for Christ's sake. Now, it doesn't mean even if Amarachi had killed somebody, you won't defend her in public so she won't be crucified. Eh? And this land in question is your land. Does it mean you value your land more than your own daughter? Nice. But this number. This is the 7th day she has been in police detention. Because please temper justice with mercy. And I believe she has learned her lessons now. Yes, she has. Because Mama.
Are you done talking? Huh? Are you done talking?
Yes, no.
See, I will never, I repeat myself, I will never ask the police to release Amarachi until that my land is retrieved or my money is paid. Failing to do that.
Nah, you will, oh. You will, oh. What is it, Seth? Eh? What is it? Amarachi is your daughter, for Christ's sake. What is it? Land, money. Nah, nothing should happen to my daughter. I am begging you, nothing should happen to my daughter. As a matter of fact, if you don't release my daughter, I will report you to the Igwe. So if I take any actions, nobody should blame me. Ogenedo.
Is that supposed to be a threat or what?
Nah, I call it anything you want, please. Call it whatever.
You are threatening me. You are threatening me, Zuna, that you will report me to the Igwe or whoever. You are threatening me. It's all right. Mercy, get out of my sight. Else, I will call the police and tell them that you are among those that duped me. Get out. I said, get out of my side before I show you another side of me. Get out.
Nah, mama,
I said, get out. Get out of my side. Get out. Come over and
now what you're doing?
How am I sure that she don't give you part of the money? I said, get out. Leave my side.
What you're doing is not fair. What you're doing is bad. She's your daughter. Land, money, land.
Conspiracy. I don't blame you. Do you know what I went through before I secured that land? Then I'm going to and I'm not. I come here now. Best of the same feathers. Conspiracy. You might go and run. You might go. You might hear them with them. You want me to ask the police to release your daughter? Best of the same feathers.
Madam, what exactly do you want?
Please, officer. I came to beg you to release my daughter for me, please. She has stayed here for too long and you know this place is not too safe for her. She's a woman because you're an officer.
Madam, point of correction. How can you say that a police station is not safe? Are you a terrorist? This place is safe. And for what you are looking for, let me tell you the truth. I do not have the power to release your daughter.
Hey.
Except your husband instructs me or the DPO. These are the people that will give me instruction to release your daughter.
Officer,
don't make a nuisance.
Officer, please. My daughter has suffered enough. Please have mercy.
Madam.
Have mercy.
Madam, please.
Release her. Let's go and settle it. Atomi is a family matter.
Madam, please, you need to leave my office. I've told you what needs to be done. Please, you need to leave my office. I need to submit this report to the DPO. Please go. Please.
Nah.
You are making a nuisance in my office now. Can you
please? Now, please.
Should I leave my office for you?
Officer, please.
Please. Madam, can you just go?
Now, what kind of a human being are you? Eh? What kind of a human being did I get married to? Now, I'm talking to you now. Nine. It's 8 days now. I've been pleading with you. Pleading with you to release my daughter from the police, and now you've refused. Nanye Joe, you use padlock, but you bigger. No problem. I did not come to exchange words with you. I only came to pass a very sad information to you. And after passing it to you, I'll go and tell my people too. Nai, you see, if after 3 days from today, you don't release my daughter from that police cell, now I'll drink rat poison and die.
What did you say?
I will drink rat poison and die for you. Die.
No problem. Come. Let me show you something. No. Let me give her a befitting place and a relaxable and a more comfortable place. Okay, let me add it to it. How do you like this place?
No, for what?
You said you want to drink rat poison and die. So, I think this place will be okay for your grave. That's why. You don't like it?
You're a wicked man. I fought that in me.
It's okay. No problem. I have heard you. Thank you for the information. But I think when you this place will be okay for you. That's why so that you see it when you are still alive. You know whether this, if you don't like this place, so I can add it more so that you will have a very comfortable place. You want to drink that poison and die. Thank you for your information. I want to go and answer the Igwe sent for me.
You're a very wicked man. I fought tagging me. Say. Grave. You. Say. Wicked man. Don't worry. I give you 3 days. Let me don't see my daughter in that 3 days. You will see. This house will not contain me and you. Woko Joe, evil man.
Mr. Frank.
Yes.
Longest time. We have not seen you for a long time, and we keep asking your brother to see you after you. And he said he went to Abuja for some contracts.
Yes, you're correct. You're correct. You know the nature of my job. It takes me virtually everywhere in the country. Like they say, man must work.
You're right there.
But I'm back. I've been calling the DCO to tell him that I'm back, but his number is not connected.
You know our country with network problems. He will soon be back. Yes, he will soon be back. A lot of people are waiting for him.
Oh,
yes.
I'll wait for him then. Hey, while I was coming in, I saw Sergeant Ben with a beautiful girl in handcuffs. You know her? And why is she here?
That was Amarachi. She had a serious problem with her father, and he brought her here.
Amarachi had a serious problem with her father. You have an idea what the problem is?
Mr. Frank, I know you already generated some interest about her, but but this is a police issue, you know.
Tell me, greetings, Amara. How are you?
How can you be asking someone who has been in the police cell for close to 2 weeks how they are? How am I supposed to be?
I'm sorry about that.
Who are you?
My name is Frank. I came to see the DC of this police station. When I was coming, I saw you outside in handcuffs, and I asked him who you were. He told me everything, and I was wondering what would a beautiful girl like you been doing in handcuffs or moving around in the police station. He told me everything, and it touched me. Hence, I decided to get you out of this place. I will pay your father the 4 million naira that made him bring you here.
You want to pay my father 4 million naira? Why?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, I don't know you, but when I saw you, my spirit captured you.
I don't understand.
What I mean in essence is that immediately I saw you, I fell in love with you. So I wouldn't mind if you marry me so I can clear the debt and pay your dad all the money and even add more.
So this is the real reason you want to help me? Wow, a total stranger. You don't even know me from anywhere. You saw me. And all of a sudden, you want to marry me. Simply because I am locked up in here and I need help. Well, I'm wondering, whoever told you who I am, didn't that person tell you the real reason I was locked up?
I'm sorry if it looks like I'm rushing you. It's just that my heart skipped when I saw you and just to do this.
You know what? I don't have time for this meeting. Sergeant Ben! Please come take me back to myself. Sergeant Ben!
You said your name is Frank.
Yes, Nani.
And you went to the station and saw my daughter Amarachi.
You're right, Nani, and that is why I'm here to see you.
Okay. Now that you have seen me, what do you want?
Nani, when I saw your daughter at the station in handcuffs, I was surprised and confused. I asked the investigative police officer, the one they call IPO, about who she is and what a beautiful girl like her was doing at the station moving about in handcuffs. And he told me everything. He did. I feel pity for her. I do. And I took a decision. Nai, I'm going to bail your daughter from the police cell and I'll give you your money.
Wait, let me understand you. You want to bail my daughter out from the police station and you will give me the money. Are you aware of the amount?
I'm aware. I said 4 million.
You are aware? And you are ready to pay me the 4 million naira?
That's not a problem. I will pay you the 4 million naira and then make Amarachi my wife.
That's all.
That's all, sir.
See, my son. If you said you are ready to pay me the 4 million naira, Amarachi is already your wife. She is already your wife.
Thank you very much, Nai.
You're welcome.
This gladdens my heart.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Amarachi is already your wife. Yeah. Mercy. Ma Amarachi.
Nanyo.
Come.
Nanyo, give me.
Sit down.
Welcome.
Alright, thank you very much, Mom.
Nanyo, what's it?
I was sitting down here. This young man walked in here. His name is Frank.
No.
He said that he went to the station and saw our daughter Amarachi. And he discussed with the IPO to ask him what our daughter Amarachi is doing at the station. And the IPO told him everything. So he now came here and said that he's ready to pay the 4 million naira. But he said he's ready to pay us. Pay me my 4 million naira. But we will give him Amarachi's hand in marriage, which is a very simple thing. No. Do you have anything to say?
I have just one question for you, Mr. Frank.
Question what?
At first, I'll say I appreciate your interest. But did you discuss this with my daughter before coming here? And if you did, what did she say to you?
Yes, I did discuss with her, but she declined, saying she's engaged with someone.
Yeah, no, George. Mr. Frank, I suggest you go back there and discuss again with her.
What is it to discuss with him again? Yeah? What is it to discuss with Amarachi? You heard him. He said that he's going to pay the 4 million naira. Giving him Amarachi's hand in marriage, or is there a problem? Nah, don't mind her. You see, like I said, Amarachi is your wife. That same boy my daughter was talking about is the same boy that connived with her and duped me of my 4 million naira. He gave the same boy that 4 million naira to travel abroad. You see? So, listen, what we have to do is go home and come to your people. Amarachi is your wife. I'm only after my 4 million naira. Just give me my 4 million naira. Amarachi is yours. Simple.
Thank you so much, Nai. I will be on my way.
Nai. I have something to say. Can I say something?
What do you want to say? What do you want to say? If it is not how this boy will give me my money, then shut up.
Okay.
Alright, Nai. I will be on my way now.
Thank you, my son. Don't worry, like I said, Amarachi is your wife. Just my 4 million naira. Oh? Okay. Thank you.
Alright, okay, Nai.
Alright,
thank you.
I will be waiting.
Alright.
Okay, now I'm going. Bye bye. Oh.
Alright, ma.
Yamasi, what is it?
See, okay. Let me tell you something, You see this thing you're about to do? I don't want problem. I don't want problem.
Are you talking to me?
Nah, I don't want problem. Are you trying to sell off my daughter for 4 million naira?
See, this is my house and I have every right to do whatever I want to do. This is my house. My phone, okay, will you give me my 4 million naira?
Is she not your daughter? Nah, is she not your daughter?
And so what? My 4 million naira in your whole village. If you gather all your village together, can they provide 4 million naira? All your village put together, can they provide 4 million naira? Now see me, that make you come here down. You are still more money. You are still more money. So all I'm saying is that I have a case to report in that your own money. Before unasnameme, somebody is looking for my trouble, and that person is from your own money. Before you people will say Izuna has started, I will be in that your meeting tomorrow to report the case. Please. And if you people doesn't do anything about it, I will do my wish. Okay. Okay, till tomorrow.
Let me ask you, what is our daughter still doing in that police cell? Eh? What is she still doing there?
I think your daughter Amarachi is in the right position to answer this question. The earlier she accepts to marry Frank, the better for her. So what you should have done as a mother, what you should do is go to the police station and talk some senses into her. Convince her to accept Frank. Else, she will remain in that police cell. Though I have been discussing with the police, pleading with them not to take the matter to court yet. Because I know if she go to court, before you know it, she will land herself into prison. So you better go and talk to her. Talk some senses into her. Then she accept to marry Frank. Else, after all, she's supposed to be in the prison by now. If not my effort to convince police not to take her to court by now. Go and talk some senses into her. She's your daughter. Do that. You are a good mother. Go and show that you're a good mother on your daughter. You're here asking me questions.
Hi.
Yeah. I have told you, open not him will made there, but at least some things are supposed to do. That maid will be doing. Now Amarachi is not around. That maid will be running all day around. You never know your daughter. Go to the police station, talk to your daughter to accept the money plan.
Chai! Nah, you're so wicked. That's why attacking me.
Yes, that is because gain and one you never go here for me that was him now for. Gain and one ya cost go him military time now for. The only thing that remains this my stomach is urine. The man in media go you never go military time now for. They never say military after tagging.
Mama, I'm surprised at you. I'm surprised you're saying all of this to me. I thought you were on my side. I don't understand. What are you up to? What's all of this? What's going on?
Amarachi, my daughter. You've been in this police custody for the past 3 weeks. You think I'm happy about it? You think I'm comfortable with my daughter being in police cell for 3 weeks? Or do you like it here? Well, if you like it here, I want you to come out of this place. Or don't you want to come home?
I don't like it here, Mama. I don't. But the conditions of my coming out is what I don't like. I'm tired. I want to come back home. But put yourself in my shoe. Would you do what they're asking you to do? I can't. I will never do it. I'd rather die here instead of accepting it. But let it be on record that my father killed me because of money.
My dear, I understand how you feel. Okay? I'm your mother. I understand how you feel. But I want you to accept this condition first. Yes. Accept it and come out from this place. Then you and I have things to talk about. Just do as I said.
I've heard you.
Does it mean you've accepted the proposal?
I have accepted, Mother.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. Let me go and tell your father you've accepted the proposal so we'll get you out of this place fast. Oh? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Officer, I've discussed with my daughter. My husband will come and see you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Ami. Oh.
Sergeant Ben, come and take her back to the cell.
Has she accepted the offer?
Please, Oga, go and release my daughter from that place and send for your Mr. Frank to come.
Is that why you are shouting at me? Yeah? Is that why you are shouting at me? That means she has accepted the offer now?
Must I explain everything to you? Must I explain? Do I have to explain everything to you? Please, please, go and release my daughter from that place and ask your Mr. Frank to come. Biko.
Now you are talking. Now you are talking. This is what you people should have done since. Never Nebu Mogi. At least if not for anything, my money will soon come back. IPO, I came to release my daughter. I don't want her to continue staying here for many reasons.
So are you saying we should close the case or we should still keep the file open?
Close the case.
Well, so what happens to the other man, Mr. Paul?
That criminal, that armed robber, that scammer. I don't want to have anything to do with him. Let his people come and bear him.
Ichi, I want to tell you something. If you insist on taking your daughter home and keeping this man, the commission might likely take this case to court. And the court will demand your daughter's presence. Whatever punishment meted to this boy will affect your daughter. The way I see it, both of them will go to prison.
So, what do you suggest I should do?
Release two of them, close the case, and your daughter will be completely free.
It's okay. No problem. No problem. I will release both of them.
Good. Let me bring the file.
Amarachi, thank God you are back home. I swear, those police officers, they are mean. Okay, do you know that I came to that police station more than 3 times? But they did not allow me to see you. I even told them that I am your best friend. They refused, saying that others says nobody is allowed to see you.
I understand. Don't mind them. At times they overdo their jobs. Though the IPO told me you came to see me. Thank you. But my father, he's wicked and he's mean. Imagine locking up your own daughter in a police cell for 3 good weeks. No problem. No problem at all.
Amarachi, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry for what happened.
It's not your fault, dear. It's okay. It's one of those things.
Ada.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, you're here.
Yes, Mama.
I'm in.
Mama.
Ada, I know you must be very hungry, eh? When you're done with your friend, you go and eat. Oh?
I'm not hungry, thank you.
Nudi Angazi. Eh? Ada, Mama. What is it now? You've not eaten anything since you got back from the police station. What's all this?
Mama, I'm not a baby. It's food by force. I just told you I'm not hungry. Why are you pushing it? Please, I'm not hungry. Leave me alone for now.
Adako, Mama. Talk to your friend, though. Eh? Since she got back from the police station, she has not eaten anything. Ada, Mama.
Mama, don't worry. Don't worry. I'll talk to her. I'll talk to her.
Adako, talk to her. Talk to her, please. I don't want her to start losing weight.
Amarachi, you need to eat your food. Yes, I know you're still angry because of what your father did. But you should know that your father is not to be blamed. What you did was wrong. Yes, I'm your friend and I will tell you the truth. You did not even tell me before making that move.
So, you could stop me, right?
Of course, you know that is what I would have done. Yes.
Well, thank God I didn't tell you. That's the major reason I didn't even tell you. You know what? What's all this? Why are you scolding me as if I'm a 3-year-old kid? Please. I just got back from police detention. I am tired. I've not slept well in 3 weeks. I'm going inside to sleep. Thank you for coming. Goodbye.
Amarachi, I understand how you feel. But please, you need to eat your food. And don't forget, I'll come back to check on you. Okay?
Thank you.
My son, Frank, I sent for you to tell you that Amarachi, my daughter, is out from the police cell. And to also remind you about our decision and the agreement. So when am I getting my money as you promised?
No, never mind. Your money is intact. Yes, your money is intact. I want to thank you for doing this. But first things first. Let me specifically thank you for bringing my wife to be, Amarachi, out of the police cell. I'm highly elated and proud of you. Very proud of you. Do you know, initially I felt you were not going to listen to me. I had this doubt. But you shocked me. I mean, you gave me all the audience. And more importantly, did everything I asked you to do.
Because I'm a good man.
No, you are a noble man. A man of character.
Thank you.
I give it to you. And for your money, the 4 million, I'll give you that money a day after tomorrow. I will. And I'll also seize that opportunity to do the introduction and pay the bride price of Amarachi. Yes, same day. I've discussed it with my parents and they're all in agreement.
My son, sorry if I can't understand you clearly. You said I will get my money a day after tomorrow. And you will also do the introduction and the bride price for my daughter Amarachi. You are a good man. You are a good man. Thank you so much.
I know I should be thanking you for doing what I asked. I have not even given you money. Just word of mouth, and you did everything.
I know, as you promised, you already did it.
So, where's my wife to be? Where is she?
She went out with her friend Adako.
Okay, that means I'll come back in the evening and see her.
Okay, okay. Once she comes back, I will tell her, and I'm sure she'll be happily waiting for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yo, man,
thank you. The money, is it in the morning or in the afternoon you send the money?
No, I'm a noble man. I told you the day after tomorrow. Take a chill, people.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Frank, I want to ask you something. Why is it that most men these days cannot do anything for you without asking for something in return?
I don't understand, Sunshine. Can you elucidate?
You don't understand. Okay. Let me explain it to you. You came to the police station. You saw me. You haven't seen me anywhere before then. You asked what the problem was. And you volunteered to help me. Even though you don't know me from Adam. What I do not understand is why insist or why give a condition that I must marry you? Even though I told you I have a fiancé, that we both love each other, and I was waiting for him to come back into the country so we both get married. You don't really care if I love you or not. All you're interested in is me getting married to you. Mr. Frank, you're taking advantage of the fact that I desperately need help. And you are the only one who can help me out of, this difficult situation. Do you know that money isn't everything?
Yo. Sunshine, money isn't everything. I understand vividly. But you see, marriage is very broad. Yeah, it's an institution that's very, very broad. And you can't understand everything in it. I can understand where you're coming from. But let me tell you something. You see, most of the couples you see today, they're not in love when they got married. A whole lot of them. But in the course of marriage, they begin to develop love for each other. You see, I promised to spoil you. I'm going to bring you into a world of El Dorado, where you have everything at your beck and call. I'll give you everything. And I know in the course of it, you'll fall in love with me.
I see you still do not understand the angle where I'm coming from. But that's okay. I won't push it further. So, Mr. Frank.
Yes, Sunshine?
You want to marry me?
From the depth of my heart.
Fine. I'll marry you.
My, oh my. Thank you. Come on.
Not yet. Not yet.
Why? You just made my day, and I don't think there is anything wrong in hugging you.
Have a good night, Mr. Frank.
It's okay. It's okay. Thanks for accepting to marry me. I appreciate from the depth of my heart. And like I said earlier, I will support you. I will support you. Thank you.
Not yet.
It's okay. Have a good night rest.
Good night.
Thank you.
You said you want us to talk.
No, it's about that boy.
Which boy?
Frank. The one that wants to marry Amarachi.
What about him?
No, I don't want you to collect that 4 million naira from him. Please. I'm not comfortable with this.
Why?
Okay, now look at it this way. What if tomorrow Amarachi has issues in her marriage and she wants to come back to her father's house? Where will you bring 4 million naira to refund to that young man? And what if at that point you've used that money for something else?
Baby, Messi, wait. All these things we are saying here now wasn't our agreement before we started the journey. Eh? It wasn't our agreement. You want me to forget 4 million naira just like that? Eh? What is your problem? Eh? See, the best thing our daughter should do is to marry that man and get out of my house. Because seeing her around here it reminds me of what she did. And it gets me upset. I must collect my money, and that is final. You want me to forget 4 million naira? Please, I don't want you to. Please.
I understand. What I'm saying is you should just collect only the bride price and forget about this 4 million naira, please. Forget the 4 million naira and collect just the bride price, please. My daughter is not for sale. I don't want to sell off my daughter for 4 million naira. Oh. Ha!
I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. Because I know the reason you are saying this is because the money is not yours. If it is your money, you will know what it means for someone to lose 4 million naira. See, don't worry. Relax your mind. Put yourself together. When it comes to your own, you can then dash out the 4 million naira. But my own, I must collect it back, and that is final. I must collect my money. You want me to forget 4 million? A whole 4 million naira. In the village, you know, 4 million naira. All your village, that place, I came to marry you in your parents' house. If I tax all of them to provide 4 million naira, will they provide it?
Now you're getting it safe. What is it? 4 million naira, 4 million, 4 million, 4 million, 4 million, 4 million. I thought we are one. In fact, we are one. And your money is my money. And I'm saying you should forfeit the 4 million naira and collect just the bride price.
Namalaga toka. That we are holding sweet it, that holding sweet at everything, not in this money. This is my money, my 4 million naira we are talking about. It is not your money because the land in question is my land, not your land. The land in question, your daughter Konavi with that idiot and whoever I sold, is my land and not your land. Did you come to my house when I came to your father's house to marry you? Did you come to my house with the land? Now it comes to money, it now becomes our money. It is not our money. It is my money, and I must collect it. Simple.
Now your money is my money. We are one. So because your money is my money, I say leave that money and take just the bride price.
We are one.
Yes, we are one.
1 plus 1 is what?
Is 1.
That is why you fail. You always fail in school. 1 plus 1 is 2. It can be 1. Don't blame you. I must collect my money. Simple.
9. Na yokwa makechi o. Ekusikwam.
I know you have said your own with your fish brain because you don't have brain. Your own brain is fish brain. You don't make any sense. You don't say any reasonable thing. You want me to forget about 4 million naira? 4 million naira. Look at the house our son has been building for how many years? If I have that 4 million naira, I know I would have decking this house. You know what 4 million naira means? Ataronge. Nah, buy me Toleka. Buy me George. Buy me less. Imalebesa ate. Ataronge. 4 million naira is a small money to you. Can your village provide 4 million naira?
This is faith. He believes in future. If I never I want this thing. For no urgent reason, one name. This is faith. He believes in future. You're a mocker. If I never if I never one name. This is faith. He believes in future. If I never
Yeah, Frank, my son, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine. Amarachi, my daughter, and her mother are also fine. Yes, Frank, I called you in respect of that 4 million naira I asked you to pay me. Yeah. Well, I have slept over it and decided to tell you not to bother yourself for paying that money. Don't worry. Just come and pay my daughter's bride price and take your wife home. Simple. Don't worry. Just come and pay my daughter's bride price and take your wife home. Simple. Yeah, no. From my heart, I'm okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay. Hope you are still coming as we scheduled. Okay. It's all right. No problem. Okay now. Bye-bye.
Mama, I don't understand what is going on. Does Papa hate me this much? I thought the only reason he wanted me to marry that man was because of the 4 million naira. Now he called the man and told him he doesn't want the money anymore. But why is he still forcing me? Why is he forcing me to marry him? Has his hatred for me gotten to this extent? What is this, Mama?
My daughter, calm down and listen to me. I was actually the one that convinced your father to forget about that 4 million naira. Yes. I convinced him to forget about the 4 million naira and accept just your bride price. But you know your father, stubborn and stone-hearted as usual. He said seeing you around this compound upsets him. And I wouldn't want him to injure you for me. Or you want me to come back one day from the market and find out he has injured you? My daughter, I suggest you just do as he said. Please. Pikono.
Mama, I'm not trying to offend you. But are you sure he's actually my father? Because, no, Mama, I'm not trying to insult you. Why this hatred? You now see that this man hates me passionately. What is this? No, Mama, tell me. What sin have I committed that there is no forgiveness for? After he has punished me this much. What did I do that no one else has ever done? Did I kill anyone? Did I commit murder? What is this? Mama, you're telling me to calm down. And you're suggesting that I just marry that boy, just like that.
What do you want me to say now, my daughter? Calm down.
Mama, it's not fair. Because the real reason for all this nonsense was because of that 4 million. Now he's not taking the 4 million back and he's still forcing me to marry him.
Calm down now.
Mama, stop telling me to calm down. You want me to marry Frank, right? Is that what you want? You want me to marry Frank? That's fine. I will marry Frank. But just be prepared for this marriage.
Oh, come on. Hi, Izuna. What kind of problem is this? At first it was 4 million. Now it's marriage. What kind of... Can't Izuna just let my daughter be? Has she not suffered enough for this money? Hey! Izuna! What kind of problem is this? What kind of a man did I get married to? Obi Okute! At first it was 4 million. Now it's marriage. Why can't this man let my daughter be hers? Has he not punished her enough for this money? Guess he won't.
Wait, Amara. But if your father doesn't want that money again, why is he now forcing you to marry that man?
Wickedness. Pure wickedness. Oh, you shouldn't worry. I will do as you said. Sure, they want me to marry. Of course I will marry. I will marry. Because if I don't do it now, they will say, you don't want to get married. You don't want to do this one. You don't want to do that one. And if one small high blood pressure just happened to him, they will say, Amarachi, you have killed your father. Or they will say I'm the cause. So it's marriage now. We will marry.
I don't understand, Amara. From the way I see things, it's like you're too comfortable getting married to that Frank.
What do you want me to do, Adako?
Amara, what about Obinna? Okay, what if he comes back and finds out that you are married to another man after what both of you went through together? I don't understand, Amara.
Until then. But for now, tomorrow is my marriage day. And I don't want to look for you there.
Amara, are you sure you want to do this?
What is wrong with this one now? Did I put water in my mouth and I was saying it? I thought I just answered that. Why are you still asking now? Today I didn't just wake up on a very good side. Respect yourself, please. Stop asking me questions that you've asked me before. Is it jam?
Sunshine! Sunshine? Sunshine? I'm surprised you're still wearing the same clothes you wore since we came back this afternoon. I've been waiting for you upstairs. Come, let's go upstairs.
I'm okay where I am, thank you.
Sunshine, you can be okay here when we have a comfortable bedroom upstairs. Please, let's go.
I just told you I'm okay here now. What was this? Why are you drinking Panadol for my headache? I said I'm fine here. I've heard you. We're going, I'm coming.
Sunshine, you know I can't go without you. Please, let's go to a more comfortable place.
Did you see any sunshine in here? From what I can see, it's already nice. Please, I don't like that thing. What's sunshine? I beg, go. I'm coming.
It's okay. It's okay. Your wish is my command. Please, don't keep me waiting, okay? I'll be upstairs.
Where's my room so that I can keep my luggage?
Your room? This is our room. I mean, you and I. Our room.
This cannot be my room. I need my own room and I need my own privacy.
Sunshine. What are you saying? Do you realize you are my wife? I'm your husband. I'm not your boyfriend. You're not my girlfriend. We are man and woman. The law of marriage states so. I didn't do that. We're meant to exchange everything together, including this bedroom.
How am I supposed to know what the law of marriage states now? Have I been married before? Please, just show me my room. That's all I'm asking for. I'm not here for any law class or law lecture.
It's okay. Go and take your bath. Go and have your bath.
I don't want to bath. I'm okay like this.
Okay, go and put on the lingerie now. I said the lingerie.
What is wrong with what I'm wearing? Please, this is what I like to wear. This is how I want to be. Please.
I mean, you want to sleep like this?
Yes, I want to sleep like this. Listen, I only sleep here for this night. Tomorrow, I don't want to hear story. Just be showing me where I will sleep. So shift, let me sleep.
It's okay. It's alright.
Of this. Don't try that next time. What's that now?
Sunshine. What's wrong with you?
What are you trying to do?
You realize you're my wife.
Is that the reason why you've been asking me to please come upstairs, come and lie down, come and do this? Is that why you've been telling me to do that? You see, I knew your intention. I knew your intention all along. That's why I didn't want to come here. Now I'm here, now you don't want to allow me sleep. What's this one now?
Sunshine. I don't understand. Did you hear yourself speak? Did you hear yourself? How does it sound? Tell me.
Very nice. Because that is what I want. That is how I like it. Fantastic. You can sleep. I will stay like this till morning.
It's okay. You can sleep.
Sleep on your own. I will sleep on my own. Sleep.
Sarah, good night. Sunshine, I want us to talk.
I'm all ears.
Sunshine, today makes it 3 weeks I brought you to my house as my wife without you allowing me to touch you. What's going on?
What's going on where? I don't see anything going on. There's nothing going on. I've not done it before. And I don't want to do it either.
I don't understand. You mean you've not what?
What don't you understand now? It simply means I'm a virgin. If that's what you want for me to spell it out to you.
And you... Oh, hold it. What about that boy you said he's a husband-to-be who is based in China?
Well, my husband-to-be and I have not done it. We're just saving it, you know. Since we met each other, we agreed that we're not going to do it until we get married. And it has been like that.
And you expect me to believe that?
I don't understand. If you like, you believe. If you like, you don't believe. Now, how is that my business? And what's this one now? Why would I lie? Are you wearing masquerade now that I will not be scared of you and I will start lying or what? Is it not my life? And will you beat me? What's this one now? Ha! Please, I just told you that I am saving myself for my husband. So what's the big deal there? Why are you still telling me that you don't believe it? You don't do it. So what's my business if you believe or not? It's left for my husband to believe. Ah, beg.
Sunshine, which other husband are you saving it for if not for me? Yes, I want to believe you didn't allow him to touch you, perhaps because he has not paid your bride price, has not done anything on your head. But my case here is different. You are my wife, my legitimate wife. I have paid your bride price. So you are my entitlement. I should have access to your body. I've paid for the goods. Yes.
Goods? Hi. Amarachi, you have suffered. Goods? So you went to the market and you saw crayfish, okra, tomatoes and pepper that was shaded, and you bought them as goose. Oh, so you bought me. Now you want to cook stew with me. You want to start using me anyhow, right?
Before Uncle. I said before Uncle. Listen, I have an appointment to catch up with. By the time I go and come back and you still refuse to give me this, I will take it by force.
I mean every word of it.
So this has been your plan all along? You've been planning to rape me, right? You want to rape me?
Call it whatever you want to call it. Call it anything. I do not care. Listen, if you are a good student of the Bible, you remember somewhere around Matthew where the Bible says that in the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffered violence, and it is only the violent one that taketh it by force. I will take you by force. Ifem Cable, you are my entitlement. May that sink into your head. Rubbish.
It's been that my head is not strong. My enemies would have got it all. Abakinego kataya, oshibegoro wa, manachi abuwanyo. Miri sosi abacha, ebele miri tusia, oji ezurike. Chimwa mwana, chiri shimwa dibia nene shina zimuna. Kima gano wa, mapano kaza. Wabi tupugo wabio, afufa mambodi,
Sunshine. I'm just short of words.
You always have something to say. Why are you short of words?
One, this exploration of human feelings, one. Secondly, you're looking sexy. What's going on?
Oh, I know that you can never please anybody. I've said that I know I've not been a good wife to you. So I made up my mind to, make you happy today. That's why I'm dressed like this, and I prepared this for you too.
I'm still trying to understand. I don't know.
Eat. Don't try to understand anything. Just eat. Eat your food.
I just hope this is for real. Yeah, I hope it's for real.
Anyway, I've made up my mind that tonight is the night. So eat up. Let's go inside the bedroom. And all your dreams will come to life.
My, oh my. You mean?
What?
I'm gonna have all these?
After you finish eating, of course, because I don't want you to get,
I need to rush this food now. Okay. As a matter of fact, I'll eat the meat. Let me just rush the chicken.
No, come on. You have to eat. My mother told me that a man needs to eat to have power in the bedroom. I don't know how true that is, but...
This food is better than this one. This is everlasting food.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want them to say I killed my husband. I don't want you to go and faint, so please eat.
If you don't want to kill me, I'm ready to die because I know I'll go to heaven.
God forbid. I won't kill you. Let me see how you come and sleep with me or rape me this night. With the amount of drugs in your food, it will be morning or afternoon before you wake up. Think you're wise.
I've been meaning to ask you. Have you heard from Amarachi and her husband since they left for the city?
What is my business there? Huh? Why not call her yourself? Are you not her mother?
Ha! Naizuna! What is wrong in you, her father? Calling your daughter to find out how she's doing in her new home. Eh?
What is my business with how she's doing or not? Huh? Please, allow me to enjoy this call you managed to give me today. Please.
But now you know I would have called her if my phone were to be good.
Then go and repair your phone. Go and repair your phone and call your daughter. She's your mother. Or you just want to disturb me. Please, I am here to enjoy this call. Not to this your question and answer. Please.
You know, Nine. At times I wonder what kind of a human being are you? Who did marry Babu?
You should have asked me this question first before you accept to marry me. This question came late. It came late. You should have asked me this question before you accept to marry me. Love in a boogie. Okay, get that came. Then I do. With them, madam. With them, madam. We can't again and never.
Madu look at that naughty. Oh, look at sir. Forbid. Biko.
Come on, ask me a question. I need more corn.
There's no corn.
Huh?
There's no corn. Call our daughter.
There is no corn?
No corn.
Then why do you take this one?
Call our daughter.
What happened to me? Sunshine, why are you crying? And what happened to me? Talk to me, why are you crying?
What happened to you? Are you actually asking me that stupid and dumb question? What happened to you? I should be the one asking you what happened to you. What is even wrong with you? You drunk yourself to stupor and you're asking me what happened to you. After all the time it took me to prepare myself to wait for you to come back. I prepared dinner for you. I took my time to dress up for you to go perform your duty as my husband. And you sit here to tell me and ask me a dumb question like what happened to you? The only thing that happened to you was that you drunk yourself to stupor like a useless person.
Sunshine? Me? Drunk? Drunk how? Where? I didn't drink. I don't even drink at all.
Oh. If you didn't drink, then what happened to you? What happened to you?
Sunshine, I'm confused. I'm still trying to fathom what happened to me. I'm as confused as you are. That is if you're confused too.
You're sick. Obviously you're sick and you should go check yourself into a hospital or something. Because what's this? Who behaves like this? Are you even sure you're a real man? Because no real man will sleep on the same bed with his wife and not even perform his duty.
And you're sitting there asking me what happened to you. What is it? Shame on you. Shame on you. You need help.
I don't know what happened. I don't know. Sunshine!
Don't even do that with me.
What happened? What happened? Sunshine, please forgive me. It will not happen again, please. What really happened? What happened? What happened? What kind of mess have I put myself into? How do I convince her that I love her? And I didn't know what happened to me. I tried. I was deported. Many even died there. As we speak, many are still in prison. So why is everybody treating me as if I'm an outcast because I came back from abroad without money? Must I make it abroad? Is my destiny even there? Uncle, please stop. I know, yes, I disappointed everybody. But please, everybody should calm down. Meanwhile, that's not what I'm here. The biggest problem now is that I just found out that my uncle have sold all our family lands. He has sold everything and he did not give me 1 naira. That is my major problem now. So I'm here to seek your advice.
I am not aware.
I'm telling you now. I came here because of the respect I have for you. What am I supposed to do?
Obinna, you cannot do anything now.
He sold everything.
Yes, I am trying to tell you the truth. You cannot fight your uncle. Why? Because you don't have money. Go and make money. Then you come back and start with your uncle. Or probably you forget all about this your family land issue.
Someone took what rightfully belongs to me. And you are telling me to go and make money before I can retrieve what... I don't get it.